I'm so fortunate now that I get the opportunity to honor one person in particular, and that is the superstar of indigenous law, Jim Anaya. We are so happy to have you both as affiliated to our faculty, but also as our friends. And we are so happy for that you traveled over the big water to be here together with us. And we are grateful for that, all the work you have done for indigenous law, that you have conceptualized and contributed with the most important concepts that we have in indigenous law. And it has not been an easy task because indigenous law operates in many jurisdictions and therefore in many different legal methodologies. But you have managed to bridge these methodologies and given us a language that gives us possibility to discuss and compare the indigenous law across different methodologies. But not only that, you have also been active in clinical work, being involved in cases and been litigating cases, and you have contributed a lot with that. And I remember when you were also in our dear Sami colleagues Matthias Oren's committee when he had his public defense at our law faculty. And what has always amazed me about you, James, is that because if you are in indigenous law, you hear a lot of sad things, sad stories, but you have always remained very constructive in your approach and in encouraging young researchers to walk the extra mile in order to come with important contributions. And it's not, indigenous law can never repay the debt to you. But at least we can give you a little receipt from the Sami community. And the best receipt that we can give is a yoik. So I have, a yoik came to me and said that I am Jim Anayas Yoik. kanurra alkoalmo riefti lodgi kirastaan. Leftu oddan leajolun,